What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to R44's YouTube channel. Today we've got this beautiful 374-mile-old RS3 8Y sedan Sportback. You don't have these in the US, sorry for the US customers, but today we're going to walk you through my top 4 mods. These cars need a little bit of love and then they are perfect. They're definitely one of the best cars out there for the money in terms of what you're getting, but let's talk through what you need on the car. So IBAC springs, these are a must-have to just drop that down. We're going to show you, Dylan will show you the ride height currently and then after. So we're going to put springs, IBAC front and rear springs, and then paired up some 12 and 15 mil spacers. These are BIMX spacers, full aluminium, black, knurled edges with the correct bolts, correct lockers. So they're must-have. So that completes the stance on the car. We then move on to the interior. Some Urus style paddles, so these are inspired from the Lamborghini Urus in prepreg carbon fiber, looking beautiful. So that'll just finish the interior touches, and then we go on to a Milltek exhaust system. This customer opted for the sport system. He's now got the race system. The race system slightly increased sound just because of the mapping. So this is a new system from Milltek, that when you open the valves, the system is pretty much straight through from the OPF back. So yeah, these are the top 4 mods for these cars. This way you're getting a bit of stance, getting a bit of interior love, because the interior is one of the most important, because you are actually in the car, and a bit of sound, because that's what the car is missing. But yeah, without further ado, let's get this car up in the air, strip it down, get it built up, and show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, let's get Dylan walking around the car, show you what it looks like now, because the stance is really needed. Anyways, so let's talk Milltek. So this is the standard exhaust. This is probably like a sports exhaust, so there is an option obviously at Audi to get a sports exhaust, but I wouldn't recommend it. Save your money, buy a Milltek. So let's talk Milltek. So OPF, I know they're resonators. So we've got the resonators there. This is the Milltek pipe. So again, Milltek retains all the bracketry. I've left the mount on the car. That goes into this back box, which then lays on top, which you can then see straight away when the valves are open. So this is the valve side, that goes there. When the valves are open, the gases flow freely past, doesn't go through the back box and all the way through. This is called a helical valve. These are really good quality valves, so shout out to Milltek for fitting them. Comes with brand new actuators as well from Helical, which plug into the Audi. So you can keep those valves on there, use these, and then when these valves close, that's the valve in there, but when that closes, it goes through the back box, resonates the system, and then back out. So this is a non-resonated race system, which should sound amazing. So yeah, simple, really easy to remove. 2 bolts hold the hangers, a couple like bushes, and then the 2 sleeves. But yeah, we're gonna go there. Aldridge just finishing up the suspension on the rear, and let's get it gone. Everybody, welcome back. The car is finished, and I think every car that's been through the workshop, every car owner that's been through the workshop, after seeing this today, has thought, wow, what a car. But look, the fit, the stance on this is just perfect. Finger test, whoosh, doesn't even fit. Carbon ceramics looking baller. The rear, Whoosh. So yeah, this is the iBack 12-15mm setup. There are some plastic trims that go here. Make sure you remove them. So anybody doing this at home or a different country, remove them. Milltek is sounding amazing. The customer, I'm sure, will be very happy. Yeah, overall, as always, they are nice to work on, especially when they're 344 miles old, or 374, I can't remember. But yeah, there she is. Dylan will show you all of that, and then he'll show you the interior. The paddles just finish off the interior for sure. But yeah, other than that, I'm going to leave you guys. Love you all. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button. We've got loads going on. As you can see, we've got M4 here. We've got another X3M happening there. So we've got a big video happening on our X3M very soon. It's just, we're parting it all together. But yeah, loads going on. We recently came back from Vegas, so there will be a blog. But yeah, all of that, I don't know, Dylan will put some links everywhere for all different things. But yeah, anyways, RS3, see you later.